Hi everyone. Google handles more than 75,000 search queries per second. In fact, we use Google so much that most of us navigate to Google to check whether internet is working or not. And yes, we are not always satisfied with the search results, maybe because we are not searching it right. In this video, I'll be talking about 8 tricks that you can use to get better results out of your Google search. Let's begin. So, trick number 1 is using double quotes for the exact phrase. Try using double quotes to minimize the guesswork for Google. Using double quotes will tell Google to search for the exact phrase in exact sequence. Let's try searching for tallest statue on Google and compare results. If we search for tallest statue without quotes, we are getting around 10 million results. Now, let's search the same phrase with quotes. We now got around 500,000 results with the exact phrase tallest statue. Trick number 2. Excluding words using hyphen. Put hyphen in front of the word to tell Google to ignore the content with that particular word. And Google will show you the results that doesn't contain that particular word. Let's try to search for the results that doesn't include the word China. Notice how result count has reduced to 387,000. Trick number 3. Search for a word and its similar words. Use an accent in front of the word to search for that particular word and all its synonyms. Let's try searching for mobile phones. And you'll get results for mobile phones with the synonyms of mobile such as cell, wireless, or cellular phones. Trick number 4 is the keyword define. You can use define keyword to find out the meaning of words or phrases. The syntax to use the keyword is keyword and then colon and then the value. To use define, we have to type the keyword define, then colon, then the word that we are looking for. And Google will give you the meaning of that particular word. Trick number 5 is one of my favorites. It is the keyword file type. One of the most underused features of Google search is its ability to search for files and file types. It can be very useful if you want to search for certain file types such as PDF or a PowerPoint presentation. Let's try searching for quantum computing. And results will include everything from articles to images. But if you're looking for PDF, use the keyword file type and then type PDF. And the Google will give you PDF files as the search results. Let's say that you're looking for a PowerPoint presentation instead. Then just type PPT and Google will give you results in terms of presentations. Trick number 6 is also one of my favorite, which is the keyword site. You can use this keyword to search content on certain websites or domains. Let's say that you're looking for articles on Docker. The search result will give you articles from different websites. But you want articles from LinkedIn. So you can use the keyword site and then say linkedin.com. Now, if you notice, the search results are from LinkedIn. Trick number 7 is the keyword related. This keyword can be used to find out websites that are related to a certain website. Let's say that you want to search for websites that are similar to Amazon.com. You can say related Amazon.com and the Google search will result the websites that are similar to Amazon.com. Trick number 8 is math answers and conversions. Google can do math calculations for you. Not all, but most of them. You can find answers to simple calculations like this one or slightly complex like this one. You can also perform conversions like inches to centimeters or pounds to kilograms. Everyone knows how to use Google, but not everybody knows how to use it to its full potential. You can use these tricks to get better search results faster. Here's a bonus trick. Try searching for roll a die or flip a coin or search for breathing exercise on Google and you would definitely find something interesting. Smash that like button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you so much.